exactly 2 hours. Okay. Starting the YouTube stream. Let's see if this connects. Okay. Oh my gosh, that totally worked. That's awesome. Alrighty. And there we are. Okay. That's good. Let me just change the title on Twitch here and change categories to software and game development. Okay. We're all good. Okay. So, hi everyone for part 2 of this Saturday's stream. I didn't really have an amazing concept for what to do today because my brain is fried after the video I'm going to release in 2 hours. I barely got it done. But this is what we're going to do for the next 2 hours. So this thing is a Key AT. So this is a serial to PS2 interface adapter. You send ASCII commands to this thing through the serial port, and then it can output PS2 data. So like press spacebar or hold W or press control, different things like that. Type a string of characters. So this thing can control a computer over serial. Think of it as a hardware KVM, but just, only the K. So the idea I have here is we take my stream control script that handles chat here, which I can read chat from both YouTube and Twitch, and have it connect to this thing somehow. Because here's an idea I've been trying to think of in the back of my mind for a while. How do I do long, boring archiving streams? Because, well, they're long and boring. And I've been wanting to come up with a way of like passively playing a game. And I think it would be hilarious to let chat passively play a real game on a real computer through this thing. So I think that would be fun. So we're going to see if we can come up with a way of controlling a PS2 device through Twitch chat. See, showing the keyboard side when taking over the computer control. Showing the keyboard side when taking over the computer controls. Yeah, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. Have we seen this on stream before? Oh yeah, we've actually written Python code for this already. It's already on GitHub. That's part of why I was thinking, wait a minute, I already have Python code for using this thing. It's not like fully done. We were able to type in the key for Half-Life on one computer using this. So yeah. Let's see. Had screens that, well, so here's the thing. You'll be able to be eaten by a Gru. Dude, you guys could totally play text-based adventures with this. Oh my gosh, that'd be kind of amazing. That'll probably be the easiest thing to get started with, actually. It depends. Madness might tie it into point redeems instead. That will have the ability to rate limit it, and it will burn up some of your guys' points. So that I think would be, that might be a good way of doing it. Twitch plays Zork too. I mean, yeah, there's a couple of options here. We'll probably start out with the text-based adventure games. But yeah, got it, RMF, no preserve root. If that's your choice, you'll be able to do it. It'll be a boring 4 hours after that, but we're collectively beating Hitchhiker. See, I'm actually kind of excited to just like backseat you guys playing games. Like, I think that could be really cool. And the other thing is we're going to do it on real hardware. It might be just the test bench, but we'll do it on real hardware. So, yeah, all right. Let me get some things going here. I need a USB serial interface. I have one right here. I need a 25-pin adapter. Let me go grab one of them. Oh no, wherever will I get one? What on earth is that thing? Oh, that's a USB or parallel adapter. Yeah, I'm sure that's a high quality thing. All right, here we go. Wait, this is wrong. Because that's a female connector. This is, okay, I need a gender changer too, apparently. Good thing I have 3 billion of those. That one's the wrong kind. That one's 15 pin. That's that thing. That's a null modem adapter. No. Oh my gosh, am I gonna have to have a cable for this? Ugh. All right, fine. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna use the Belkin one. It looks nicer. Okay. So I think this chat would work well together to beat some of these games. Most Twitch chats, not so much. Yeah. Limited data on 99% reliable network. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see, CenturyLink and business peers be 140, 35 residential is 100. Yeah, but for how much money? Because usually that's like outrageously expensive. One of the benefits I get with the mobile data internet solution I have is that it's super cheap because, I mean, they don't really know what I'm using it for. They like to just hose you on business internet for no good reason. All right, so this will be the basic setup here, okay? So this is a serial cable device thing, so we'll just screw that in. So this side is done. Then we have a 25 pin to 9 pin adapter, and then a USB serial interface. This is already wired for null modem, so USB cable to send data to this. Done. Then we have a PS2 cable that plugs in here, and it will go off to a computer. I can also pass through a keyboard if I need to override or something, but I kind of want it to not ever be overridden. I think that would be fun. So, location close enough for 15 megabits per second for $55. That's a lot less horrible. God, it'd drive me insane to have DSL, but maybe. I don't know. Even 1.5 would be handy because you could bond it with the mobile stream, so you have mobile data, get more resilience. Yeah, but that's what I was thinking with a second mobile thing. So, it literally just says 15 megabits per second. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, you say like okay. Zero contract is the key. I don't know. Potential for true Twitch versus YouTube chat. Oh my gosh! Quieter! Holy moly! Dude, we could play Scorched Earth, Twitch versus YouTube. That would be amazing! It would be Pocket Tanks most likely, but yeah, same concept. Oh man, I just don't know how. I think Pocket Tanks might be too mouse based. That could be really cool. Or custom out, yeah, that's one thing. Before this goes live, there's gonna have to be some swear filters. Play a game, shall we use protocol analyzer to figure out what's going on? Oh man. Okay. How do I want to handle this for now? I think I will set up the test bench. We'll connect it to that, but I'm just gonna run like Edit or Vim or something on here. Oh, we got Windows running on it right now. We can just open Notepad. And then we'll just make sure that we can hook into stuff. So, okay, let me get this set up right now. See, it feels like inventing technology to remind all YouTubers that Twitch is clearly the superior streaming platform, but it does sound. Gosh. I'm not gonna take sides on that. I've made it my stance pretty clear. I stream on Twitch just because it gives me a safety net. It would make the most sense for me to stream on the actual Tech Tangents channel. That would get me the most views and the most, eyeballs and, possible revenue kind of thing. Like, that would make the most business sense. But people whine and moan about the streaming, so I want it isolated from that. And then I like having the Twitch stuff just be totally separate, a completely different ecosystem. So, yeah, no, I will pass through. There's so much potential with fun for this, actually. Like, I was already thinking, like, I want to make you guys install Doom on here and beat E1M1. Like, that would be fun. Like, there's a lot we can do with this. Still no progress on the Wheelwriter floppy drive? No, not yet. I don't want to look at a word processor right now, and I think you can understand that. All right. I need this to plug into here, and then power, which is plugged into the oscilloscope. Okay. All right. Fire that up. Okay. Twitch configures Xorg. Oh gosh. All right, so we're getting this thing running right now. See, these days streaming a YouTube channel isn't as bad. Segment the VODs and live stuff. I know it's all separate, but that doesn't stop people from being complaining babies. Just me streaming to another channel on YouTube already has started leading to comments complaining about it. I was going to say, why on earth is it over there? But then I forgot I actually set it up for proper video capture. So give me one moment. I needed video capture for the video. And now this is less ideal for stream. That's proper pixel perfect capture, except it's jittery for some reason. It bounces up and down by one line, annoyingly. I have zero clue why. It's funny to do this kind of stuff with hardware. Oh, I forgot it. Oh, wait, I could zoom. Drat. 800, and then we'll zoom. Zoom. Oh, stupid. Fine. Well, now I regret moving it over so much. I thought I was going to be able to zoom it in. I don't remember how it stretches. What's that? Okay, so from the top. So I have to move it back up. Got it. Okay. Oh, wrong way. All right. Here we go. We're almost there. All right. That looks acceptable-ish. Sure. Okay. Alrighty. Twitch downloads LimeWire. Gosh. I was way behind. Fixes refresh. That's better. Okay. Shelby will act as living servo and swapping flops and CDs from now on. I'm okay with that. That would be hilarious if you guys like actually get through like Seventh Guest or Riven or something. Twitch downloads 400,000 viruses. Yeah, you're not gonna have internet access. I'll tell you that much. Okay, so we're gonna just open Notepad. All right. That way I can test sending text over to here. All right. There's that. Okay. Now, I'm going to run this cable on over to the workstation computer so that we can start out messing with this. Okay. I'm going to bring my monitor over here so I can actually see what's going on. There we go. Also, I'm going to grab some water. I've been talking a whole lot, and surprise, surprise, my voice hurts. So, we're going to go here, and we're going to go... Oh, it's so close. Here. There we are. All right. I feel like DOS-Shell, edit com, it configs this, might be safer than Windows 98. Yeah. Man. Lior, hello, since it's your first time chatting there. So, which place miss? Lame, how am I going to coordinate chat and downloading various ISOs and yeet the data cap? Oh, gosh. I didn't even consider that. All right. Let me get some water, and then we'll take a look at this. So this kind of thing is why I wanted the stream integration stuff to be modular, because no one else is going to do this. The key ATs are expensive and difficult to get, so it's kind of stupid. And no one else will need this, so having this baked into the main repo is kind of dumb. So, look, it's floppy stuff. Yay, floppy! I need to get chat going. Give me a second. Yo, Firefox, please open. Okay, it took 2 starts, I guess. I have half a mind to just try opening one page to see if it will do the stupid update thing, but it's just not mess with it for now. Okay, so first off, let's see if I already have the code on here. So git, it will be keyat. Is it on GitHub? Am I wrong, actually? I might be wrong. Let me grab the laptop here really quick. I'm going to need this for switching sources. So let's start out with a quick, easy test here, all right? Qt. Laptop turned off. Thanks. Thanks, laptop. Okay, USB 0, open. All right. Seriously, laptop, why? Why? Okay. I can do that. Perfect. Okay. Blah. Okay, so input string contains invalid hex characters. No, this. Blah. Okay, so it's not functioning right now. Close. 9600, 8, and 1. If I had a choice to configure it, I would have done it as that. Blah. Drat. All right. To the keyat manual. So we can go look at the dip switches, see how it's set up. I wonder if I set it up to be faster or something. Huh. Okay, fine. I probably need to download my code for this too. Give me one moment. I need to get to my Nextcloud server. Let's see. Cox is desperate and changed business rates. Really? Uh, 120, no caps for 70. That's closer to acceptable. Bad, so 1998, yeah. I mean, I could give you... I don't really have any good views I can set up over here. Here's this. I mean, you're just going to... You can either look at the Ubuntu default wallpaper or Notepad right now. Take your pick. Because I'm downloading my backups for the keyat stuff. So I think I have the manual and my Python script. Yeah, we're just going to download all this. I mean, I would vote Bliss too, but KDE always votes default wallpaper. Okay, so I have the stuff here. All right, open with, or no, extract, auto detect subfolder. Okay, I also want to grab Git. I just want to check GitHub that I haven't actually created a repo for this thing. Okay. Key. Yeah, I haven't. Okay. So we will end up making a repository. But to start, I would like to confirm that I can actually send it stuff. It was really weird and annoying to use it. So we have keyat py. It's like a whole thing here. How did we handle this? We sent pretty much everything that was here. Let's just try this really quick. Keyat send. Okay. So keyat dot py. All right. This is a test. Okay, did not send. Permission denied. I'm not in the dial-outs group. Really? Groups. I am in the dial-out group. Oh, hold on. chmod plus x. There we go. Okay. And unrecognized argument. Oh, dash dash string. Okay. Well, now it's cranky. I like cranky. Oh, QCOM's still open. Hold on. Close. Okay. And okay, but it didn't show up. Oh, here I'm doing things. There you go. Sorry. You know what? This is the exact kind of thing where we should have this going. Boop. Okay. We're going to mask this off here. 10. Okay. And then we're going to bump this up in size. And we're going to move it all the way over to under chat. Okay, so there's capture. Now we can see both. You remember sending all the scan codes now? Yeah, this thing is kind of a nightmare. So it's got like some stuff, and then this thing, which is blank. Example sequence. Oh no, I forgot. What? I don't think we got to this. I don't think this is real. This would be cool if we get to this, but yeah. Yeah, this thing's kind of a nightmare, but it's totally worth it. So we have this as well. Yeah, there's a bunch of nonsense here. But why did this not work? Let's see. Self bitrate 1200. Okay, so we had it set to 1200, but why did that not work? Let's look at QCOM. What USB? We have AMC0, TTY. Okay, what if I unplug it and plug it back in? Nah. Can't see under the nonsense under what? Under chat video cap. Oh, well, that's not that important right now. But okay. I'll put on my safe wallpaper again. One moment. Figure wallpaper. Safe. Apply. All right. That'll give me an idea where not to put anything. Okay. I'm going to restart QCOM. I don't know why I unplugged it and plugged it back in. I have a power button on this USB hub. That's literally the whole point of it. Okay, so it's that. Okay. So this. And then, but it's not sending any text. Is there a cursor blinking? Yes. I'm going to pay attention to the LED on it to see if it blinks. No. Do I need to double null modem it? Is it already null modemed? That's annoying. Okay, well, at least we got it figured out. Okay, so it's already null modem. Okay, but hey, there's typing. Okay, so since it's tiny, there you go. This is a test. I'm going to grab some random Twitch chat, copy. Okay, and boom. There is your guys' chat being sent, sort of. It kind of died for some reason. Probably like escape codes or something in there, whatever. So there you go. There, we'll do the last 3 messages now. Those ones are a lot simpler. Oh, it totally didn't like that. So there are input-output error. I locked up the serial interface. It's all cranky now. Okay. Well, cool. Is that how we break this reliably? Apparently, try and use it at all.
We're talking as up as tier 1 and says end of line.
I don't have that open. Give me 1 second. I was copying pasting chat, so it's not just going to show up. Just fair warning. Setting up escape ramps textures. Hey, that's the goal here, is to do that. So we had it working for 10 seconds. All right, Vital Knieve, thank you for the tier 1 sub for 17. All right, this is not working. Let me try and send some like less weird text. I think I really made it angry. Yeah, I'm gonna guess that you had some stuff in it that like misconfigured. I'm gonna go power cycle it now, which unplugging it from PS2 and then plugging it back in. That's not an amazing idea, but you guys, so I can. There we go. Okay, keyboard's working. All right, I'm just gonna remove all of that. Why can't I control A? Fine. On Notepad. It. Yeah, I don't know why Control A doesn't work. Maybe that's just not a thing here. All right, well, whatever. So there's that. Okay, back to this. And because I pressed a button over there, now it has closed down the small VGA view. Okay. Bring that back. All right, try and send a less complicated message. Okay, I will restart the serial interface. Okay, that worked. Now, slightly more complicated one. Did I, like, overload the buffer? What? This is weird. Okay. This is a test of a longer string. I don't need this to be spelled correctly. Being sent to make sure that the data rate is acceptable, or else it will, just random garbage, whatever. Boom. That's not quite correct. Yeah, we set up flow control or something. I don't know. Ghost Shelby and Facecam? I don't know what you mean by that. Seems like your vids on getting old computer running, like the one with the mechanical plotter. Cool stuff. Well, thank you, Mr. Cowder, and hello since your first time chatting. Okay. How are you going to read the controller shift keys? It does all that. It doesn't just take strings. It can read in scan codes and send like actual key sequences. This thing's really complicated. This is the actual manual for this thing. It allows you to send raw scan codes or just strings of text and things like that. So it's pretty complicated. I forget how we're doing this. Send a scan code. I don't remember how we do all this. Yeah, Shelby's getting possessed by... I have no idea what you're talking about. Getting absolutely hammered intermittently. Okay. So when you guys are saying weird non-descriptive things, you mean the iframes are missing and it's just the vector motion data for the B frames. Okay, got it. So what I realistically should do is this so that it has to resend an actual frame. Doesn't sound as fun, but it actually means something to me instead of me thinking you guys are just making up random nonsense. Also, it's not a lot I can do about it. Okay. Also, that issue there.
End of line.
Hammy's Hangout, thank you for the tier 1 sub and for 15 months there. I appreciate that. This issue is why I don't really want Cox Internet here. So, all right. Yeah, we may need flow control. So, flow control. Yeah, DSL. Yay. All right. We ignore the address stuff. That doesn't matter. Okay, sending data. Transfer data from RS-232. Send it to the computer's keyboard port. Data can be sent using ASCII, ASCII control codes, DOS scan codes, keyboard scan codes, blah, 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 all that fun stuff. All right, so there is like a command prompt interface you can use. We don't want to mess with that. That kind of sucks. Moving Office and Fiber time. That, no. Office or Fiber should be moving to me soon enough. There's literally like 3 companies digging trenches for it. One of these days they'll actually be available. Oh, disable commands. All commands are disabled until 10 consecutive tildes or reset power cycle. Interesting. Character mode, ASCII mode, scan code mode. Some of this stuff should be getting sent automatically by this, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, and I should be replacing tildes already in the code. So we'll probably break this out into a clean string thing here and sanitize stuff. I'm not seeing a lot about actual serial interfacing. Yeah, we already converted this table into JSON. So we have all of that already. Yeah. Yeah, I saw like nothing for serial interface. Okay, let me look up Pi serial, see if I can enable like handshaking maybe? I don't know. I'm not really exactly sure what's going on. Let's see, let me just pull this. Actually, let's do a couple of things here. I'm going to put the chat on all desktops here. I'm going to bring this over to there. All right, and then I can go back to here. So key AT we are using in the interface, import serial. Okay. So kind of, let me just test this one more time. So if I do simple string, it works. If I do a long string, let me get rid of all the weird characters. So like no, semicolon, No comma. Okay. That should be a normal string that's long. Yeah, see, there's like... What's with the weird characters in there? Those shouldn't be there. But then at the end, it gets back to normal. Maximum line length of any, or of 80 characters. I might be sending one that's too long, you're right. We may have to split it. Okay. So you're all right. That makes sense. Let me do this then. Go back to here. This is a line that will end at exactly 80 cars just to test that it will work. Okay. I want to do a thing here real quick. Why don't I go up to the short one? Okay. No, I don't want to send nothing. I want to send that, I guess. That get me a new line? No. How do I send a new line? I need the scan code. Hold on. Scan codes. Enter 78. Send. Or 80, 28, 78. Oh my gosh. Send C 28. I think that worked. I can't tell where it's blinking. Wait, why did that send C 28, right? And then there we go. Okay, maybe? I don't know. Let's try string this. Boom. There we go. But it didn't end at exactly 80. It didn't end correctly. So the string should have been longer. 80 cars, including any encoded scan codes as well. Yeah, but this, that's a lot less there. There's something else going on. Okay, we're going to look up Pi Serial and handshaking. Pi Serial. But yes, Mr. Couture, this is Windows 98. It's kind of unimportant to give you an idea of what we're actually doing right now. So you can almost see it if I just kind of nudge it over here. That is a serial device that is capable of receiving data over the serial port and then sending it as a PS2 keyboard. So what I'm doing is I'm using code that I wrote like over a year ago at this point now, so I don't remember it too well. I'm using code to control that thing by sending it strings of text over a command line, and then it's being typed into Notepad on my test bench computer. So the idea is that I'll be able to figure out how to send data to it, and then we're going to try and connect Twitch, chat here. So this is using some custom code that I've already written for reading the API calls for Twitch and YouTube chat. And we're going to try and connect it to that hardware so that it can go straight into the keyboard port on an actual computer. So I think that would be really fun, but it's going to be complicated. And this thing I forgot is already kind of a pain in the butt to use. So we have a little bit of figuring things out to do. All right. Opening serial ports. Let's see. Configuring ports. Okay. COM1. No, I mean, sure, whatever. Read line, listening. Hold on. We need the settings. Where are the settings? Ugh. Alrighty. How does this not even set? I mean, there's a baud rate there. Do I? Open port 9600N1, no timeout. Yeah, but how do I change like the some other stuff? X on off. Yeah, how do I set that? Fun while it lasts, probably not be long. Well, we'll see how it goes. I think we'll be able to do it for a while. Examples, I guess, maybe. No, it was kind of terrible. Port setting. Baud rate, no. Oh, Rene, I'd rather have them all at the same time. Let's see. That'll work. Okay. So X on off. We might need this. I don't know if it'll actually support it, but we'll try that. Okay. Interface. Where's the serial thing? Port, baud rate, string, serial. Okay. Parity, none. Okay. Stop bits, 1. RT. Oh, we already have that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do we need this? Ready to clear send 1, maybe? Let's try setting that up. Okay. Resend with this. And that actually was worse.
77, end of line.
Dziak, thank you for gifting a sub. Apparently just connected at the adapter end, so that won't do much. Cool. Okay. Had I set it slow to try and counteract this? Because that might make sense why we set it to 1200. DTRs we can. So this didn't change anything, but fine. We'll leave that set to 0. Set this equal 1, maybe. Let me send a new line. I don't know why it's sending it twice. Okay. It's ending at exactly the same point every single time. Is, you know what, I'm always wrong about what 25-pin serial ports do. Is there one of them, like, delay things we can do to have it, like, wait after it sends each one? Like, intentionally slow it down? Is that sending scanline line the actual line that's being sent? No. Because it doesn't show up on the... It doesn't show up in the capture you can see. So... So it's stopping at character manual. Is it stopping at 46 character exact? Manual warns about 46 characters. What? Uh, 46. A line can have a maximum length of 46 characters. Oh. That's 48. So it's doing better than it should. Okay, then never mind. DOS scan codes. If you are using line turnaround mode, or if the key AT is address, a line can have a maximum length 46 characters. Well, okay. Our programmer, we are using the key AT to control the test bench. We're sending it data into Notepad using Python codes I wrote. And ideally, we're going to connect it to Twitch chat here in a little bit. And then you guys will be able to send random strings to it. Drops the first T, though? Is it? Or is the capture just terrible? Nah, it's got the first. It's got the T. It shows there. The mini capture is just bad. No, wrong one. There we go. Okay. So if we assume it's 46, let's do this. Trying to think about how to handle this. So Twitch can speedrun to blue screen? Yes, if that's what you want. I'm trying to think about how I want to handle this. So let me go over to here. Python. Well, hold on. If len is it self dot string? Yeah, I know that's wrong. String. Oh my gosh. Greater than 40. We'll limit it to 40, I think. Why is it using PS2 connectors instead of 5-pin DIN if it's an AT product? Because they had multiple generations of the device. They did sell one that was AT, the big DIN. So this is just a later version when they already made the product. Additionally, it is AT compatible with an adapter still. It's just not XT compatible. Okay. Serial right. Serial. Oh wait, this is parse args. Hold on. If data is none, self equals string. Okay. We're gonna do if data is greater than. Well, actually, we'll do. Part equals. There's a method to my madness. Sorry. Data 039. I think that's how you substring. Maybe. Oh, this isn't Vim. I just tried to yank the line. Why is this not Vim? See, I don't think you need those self bits. Data is local. That's true, yeah. And then it will be data equal that, maybe. I don't know. Okay. So we're going to cut out the part. All right. We're gonna substring the first 40 characters. All right. We're gonna send that. Then we're gonna crop off the first 40 characters. Is it that? 40 that? Okay, we're gonna cut off the first 40 characters and then save that and then go again until it ends, and then we'll send out the full thing. All right, let's try that. Ooh, that kind of did better. And then it got real angry. Actually, it's worse. Send out exactly That did not work. Okay. Self part, then self data. Interface has no attribute part. What? Oh, fair enough. I did it again. Might help to... Okay. And at exactly... wait a minute. Don't you need a time sleep? I don't think so. I mean, I could... It should be in the buffer on the computer side, not on the other thing side. Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I mean, we could put one. Import, was it sleep? Sleep. Or do we even need that? I might not even need that. Or is it time.sleep? Import time sleep 1. I mean, like, maybe not even that. Maybe 0.5. Wait, that's not seconds. Is that milliseconds? 100. Let's try that. Okay, that's seconds. Let's just do 1. Let's start out with this. And then here. Okay, so it removed the leading space. So I think I was right. It needs to be 39 here. So I'm going to change this to 39. And then resend it. Oh, okay, that'll work. That'll work. We can do longer lines now. Okay. So let me send this. And then we're going to send the long one from earlier. You know what? Sure, yeah, that one. That looks a lot better. Okay. With 39 in the first character and the next iteration twice. You sure about that? Is this position or length? I don't actually know. Okay, let's make this 0.1 because I bet we don't need to wait that long. And retry that. Okay, no, I didn't like it. That was too short. 0.5. We do 40, 40? I mean, sure, fine. 40. 40. Okay. I know you couldn't see what I just modified, but here we go. Nope. That's too short, I guess. Half a second. So I'm trying to adjust the delay here. I guess we'll leave it at 1 second because it was getting cranky elsewise. Then I'm trying to send this, which did work a moment ago with 1 second. Do you have to wait for the device to return a colon to confirm the line is proceeding? Return. Does it? I'm not waiting for that if it does. If it sends it, that would be handy, actually. Wait, does it? Hold on. I feel like typos and key smashing that line are making it hard to work out whether or not it's working 100%. Yeah, we'll do a better line in a second. Okay. So yeah, I guess if I wait for that. That will be a little more complicated. Okay, we got to figure out how to read data. Okay, reads up to one line, including new line at the end. Be careful when using read line. Do specify timeout when opening server port, otherwise it can block forever. If no new line character, yeah, we won't get a new line character because it's meant to be interactive, so that won't happen. We don't want this. Is there just like read bytes or just read? Read. A blocking read call is aborted immediately. Why is there no just read? Pie, cereal, read. Specify account. Read is only going to return 1 byte at a time. Is that a problem? I mean, I guess I could do read until returns. I mean, what will this do if it returns nothing? Yeah, port read. While port read, yeah, does not equal that. Yeah, I think maybe. So while port read does not equal will not. Oh yeah, stupid Python. While port read not. I hate Python. Will sleep 100 milliseconds. Ah, it's not Vim. Gross. Okay, sleep 0.1. Also, print. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is not? I really hate Python. Okay, fine. Go. It's cranky. Name port is not defined. Self.port. Self. I am professionals programmers. Here we go. Oh my gosh. P. Wait, we're not even using that. Self.serial. I'm an idiot. Okay, something ain't working. Hold on. Read is input equals, well, input is not, wait, is input a function? Great. Input s, inputs, I don't care. Oh, that one's got 2. Should I be allowed near computers? I'm not even sure anymore. Okay. Okay, wait, colon, space, plus string, inputs. Okay. Go. Wait, does it print itself back? Now I'm confused. And now it seems like it's blocking. Well, Moonwire, I'll accomplish that in 1 hour. Okay, yeah, this appears to be blocking, and also it's reading its own data back for some reason. Hmm. Well, I don't know. Dang. The thing is it's never getting that back. It's getting back what I'm sending it, and then it never receives the colon. I mean, fine, we can deal with that. Uh, wait, why is it like a byte array? No, 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 no. I don't want a byte array. I want a string. Yeah, but I'm casting it to a string here. Why is that not being a thing? A byte array is a string, but it's different. Oh, I hate decoding. Fine, string ASCII. Is this dot decode ASCII? Is that how you do it? I hate Python. I hate Python. Oh, yeah, it looks like it might be and UTF-8 actually, yeah, based on the other ones. Why is it UTF-8? That doesn't make sense. Why would this be UTF-8? I can't decode. That's not a thing. Python byte array to string. Excuse me, it just said it couldn't do this. Drop that. Okay. Hey, all right. And okay, this is kind of cool. All right. We can. I think we can remove this. That can't decode byte at thing. Oh, I bet it's a weird one. Does it return something messed up? Hold on. Inputs is blank. Okay. And then we'll do B equals this if B is not none. Boom. A. Right? No? It's not happy about something. It missed the first T, I guess. Better decode like Latin 1. Their all byte values are legal, which they are not anywhere. Okay, weird. BD Python's like 7 ways to do something all that makes someone upset. Yeah. We can try that. Whatever. Okay. You're reading twice in each loop iteration. I am indeed. Hold on. B. No, not V. There we go. Yeah. Boom. Oh, that's not happy. Okay, now we need to wait, I think, maybe. Sleep time dot 0.1. No. 0.5. Okay, but why do I have to wait, though? I mean, I could do it without this. With the wait. Yeah, we might set the mode. I don't know. This is one of those things. There's a lot of levers we can flip here. Yeah, let's look at our modes. Character mode, ASCII mode, scan code, key mode. Okay, what are we setting up to do? Sending scan code line. Okay. Add argument, string or code. So we're doing a string. Parse args. Okay, we are sending. We're supposed to be adding a new line at the end. What? Oh, we're replacing new lines with that. Okay, fair enough. Do we have a prefix? Pretty sure this is just escaping codes. I don't know, Paul Guy. I just don't know. So you're saying, eh? So what's this gonna do? Okay, that was slightly not a good idea. There's no reason I can't send it every time. Wait, how does it know? Oh, because it's getting that back. Does it always send every single character back? Immediate turnaround data is interpreted on the fly. Note in this mode, enter not special character passed onto the computer. Monitor off. Let's real quick like QCOM settings 1200. I assume no, we can look at this. It was parity none, 1 stop bit. Okay, so stop bit 1, parity none, open. Okay, so if I just send it, I don't know, this. Yeah, so that's working. Okay. So now I kind of want to try. Oh, we can see we're getting blood and carriage return new line. Okay. All right. Yeah, so we're never getting the colon back, and then we're getting everything back that we send it. Okay, characters not echoed when the KAT is addressed. If the KAT is addressed, oh, okay, hold on. Okay, sending data. If you are using line turnaround mode or the key's address, the line can maximum. When the immediate data mode, data commands are interpreted, received, buffered 46 characters. Get more 46 characters ahead of the computer. Additional characters be ignored. Characters are not echoed when it is addressed. So because we're not addressing it, I guess characters are echoed. That's fine. Doesn't really matter. And I guess it's going to echo the whole thing. So, okay, I don't want this there. I should want it here. I don't know why it... Okay, there we go. I think... Why did it fail here? We got a new line in there somewhere. So that's not right, I think. We got a new line at least. We aren't clearing B for a second line. What do you mean? Is the line being split in the middle of a key code? It can't be. Normally being an idiot. Yeah, you're looking at this line right here now. Yeah, let's take a step back because actually, like, read through the manual. It's only 42 pages, and most of it is just a list of stupid things. Okay, quick reference. Set to character mode. Okay, so when we do a scan code, what do? We do a tilde and a colon. Okay, so when we do tilde colon, send scan code. So that is a one-time thing that we're doing. Okay. So we send a scan code that way. Okay. This is new. We just added that. I kind of don't like it. If I remove that, I think it'll work correctly. Let's send a carriage return. Okay, and then send a big long line. Yes, that. No, that does not work correctly. We've now messed something up because it's adding new lines. I think we changed the mode and now it's worse. Great. I think we need to send -L. Use software handshake? Not really. Okay, now is it gonna work? No. It's still adding new lines. Great! I don't know what we did. Back to the manual. We can do that. L. Okay. This, sure, is from QCOM. Okay, it's over there. It has not new lined the line yet. Now we'll close this and we'll try resending this. Actually, we'll do a new line. Okay. And then we'll send long line. Okay, we'll send a new line again. There we go. Okay. I would like to figure out why I need this delay. I hate this delay. That was better. But what's the limit? Why is there a limit? Like 0.1 is too quick. Yeah, that died. That choked. 0.15, I mean, I don't want to be like on the bleeding edge here. Yeah, so that's too much. So we did a 0.2, I guess we'll leave it as 0.25. I don't know, 'cause that works. It's pretty fast. I'll just do that. Okay. Right, so it can buffer inputs or something, but we're reading back all the data that it gets. We're verifying that it has the input. Probably only trickling keystrokes out to those at some defined rate. Won't like it if you talk to it when it's busy. I guess I was assuming that the PS2 interface would be faster than the serial interface, but that may not be true. I don't actually know what baud rate PS2 is. PS2 keyboard speed. 1,500 bytes per second. 900 to 1,500 bytes per second. What are the baud rate options? 1,200 is the slowest. Oh, that sucks. Doesn't actually start pressing the keys until you finish the line. That would be annoying. That might be true, too. So immediate mode is getting messed up because we're sending this new line. That's what's going on. Windows uses carriage return new line, but it doesn't really matter. So if we get rid of this, okay, and then we prefix it with I, then it should work in immediate mode. I'm going to send a new line here. QCOM's open. No, it's not. Why did we not get a new line in Notepad? Okay, well, let's send this. And chokes. Okay. What did we get there? All right, this is going to annoy me, but we're going to print the bytes. Back. Hex. There. String cannot be interpreted as an integer. I guess hex is a string, essentially. Okay. Oh, no, I need B. Okay, now it's string. Wait. This can't be. Why can't I do int? Well, I think it won't. This won't work either. Why can't I? Hex B0, maybe? All right, there we go. So it's different every time. Okay. What are we doing, Saint Imperial? Yes. Here. This computer went in standby mode. Cool. Thanks. 1 second. Oh my gosh, with the things and the stuff and the All right, so here you can see the hardware that's actually driving this. So that key AT thing is a box that takes in RS-232 serial and then sends it to a PS2 interface, which I have connected to my test bench computer, which is running Windows 98 and has Notepad open there. So we're trying to program that with Python. I thought I had this more sorted than I do, apparently. Because I think it'd be fun to try and connect this to Twitch chat, which as soon as I can get this to not die when it sends a longer line, I think I'm just going to try and do that because we're running out of time here. So, pretty distracted, not sure what's going on. Me either. So, what did we just try? Can you also send mouse commands? No, it doesn't do mouse. So we're not going to be able to do things like Twitch plays Age of Empires 2, unfortunately. That'd be cool. But it's not really meant to be that. It's meant to be keyboard stuff, because old things. So that's more fun here. Additionally, you guys only have a keyboard interface, so, I mean, kind of makes sense. Okay. I want these translated as text as well, because I'm lazy. So... So we're getting... Wait, that just worked. Hold on, that worked with the immediate mode thing. What? Hold on. New line. Immediate mode. Okay, let's get rid of the delay, see if that works. Twitch plays Doom is an option? It is indeed. Put a mouse on the MakerBot, let us set in G-code. I kind of love that. Dang it. Oh, there we go. Yeah! That's it. Okay. Now we're talking. That was instant. Look at this. I'm going to send a new line. Here we go. Here's a long one. Boom. Oh, it clearly missed characters there at the end, though. Drat. Okay, but I think I can delay this a little more, much slower. So I'm going to set a 100 millisecond delay. That's my fault because I didn't add a new line. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Okay. No, wait, that failed again. Why? Fine, I'll type a longer thing. Here. This is a longer line of text that is intended to be legible so we can tell when and where things go because it's like hard, you know, when it's just random garbage. Okay. See, older rubber PS2 or PS2 rubber ducky, kind of, yes. Use dev random. Well, no, because we need to be able to verify that the data is correct. And if we just feed it random garbage, that's not working. So we're trying to. I'm not sure this is going to work either. I don't think that was long enough. Yeah, I think this. I think we'll need more of this. So we need to be able to read this as if it were normal. Also, lorem ipsum is Latin. It would be way too easy to tell when a letter is, or it would be way too difficult to tell when a letter is missing because it's not English, and I know English. See, that last diagnostic line has me itching to make a comment that'll get you hammered. Oh gosh. So we need to be able to read this as if it were normal text because monkey brain good at pattern oh, cool. You found it. Okay, fun. Yeah, I forgot I needed to do that. Cool. Okay. Don't abuse that or chat's just getting hidden. Pattern recognition. I forgot I needed to do that. Yeah, that was a known bug. Ben identified that previously. I forgot to fix it. Okay. I mean, it's not like a problem. The worst thing you're going to do is get HTML on chat. Oh no. There, now you guys can manually put in emojis. Have fun. Okay, longer text. All right, there you go. Yep, chat's gone. Suck it up. All right. Okay. Back to work. So, we are able to. Are we reliably sending long lines of text now? I think we. No, we were having some issue where they were dropping off a little bit, I think, here. So, new line. Okay, and then long line of text. We hadn't actually sent this yet. Okay. So, the problem is. I can't really see the whole line of text chat on there. This might be permanent, by the way, because now I will have this constant fight with you all over this. And if I can't make it work, I'm not going to invest the time in fighting you on it. So, just so you know. Okay. I'm going to resend that text. I think it's working. Harder to tell. Let me go scroll through it. Yeah, that's working. Why were we losing some of the random text? Yeah, that's fine. Hmm. Well, it's vinyl. I'm hoping that we can have a actually fun coding stream in the future here. With this, it would be nice to get this going. I think we might actually be fully sending the text correctly now. I don't remember what I changed there at the end. Capital letters requiring shift. That's a good point. Huh. Can we make it all... Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Hold on. There. Can we make this all uppercase? Yeah, uppercase. Boom. So let's try that. Because that will double the amount of keys that we need to send, actually. That killed it. Okay. Okay. Well, new line. That kills it fast. Wow. The AI fam, it's because we're sending this over PS2. It's a keyboard interface. It's not serial. So I have a serial adapter that the camera's no longer pointed at over there. That is receiving this data and then sending it. So, are we waiting after every character? No. No, we're not. Which is what we might have to do. I just really didn't want to. So we might need to do this. Ugh. Have it wait 10 milliseconds maybe? Let's just see. Yeah, huh. Could do math and set an artificial baud rate. I'm not sure what you mean. So right here, it's missing 2 characters for sure. Hey, let's really slow it down here. Wait, it's receiving it all back, but then it's not typing it? Well, that's essentially what I'm doing here, Sandy, or Generic Sweetener. I'm delaying each byte after I get it. Oh, you are saying... Oh, wait a minute here. String max equal 20. Hold on. Because it could potentially explode into 40 from that. So I think we might need to set our maximum to 20. I'm sorry, sure is this looks like nerd stuff? I mean, it is. That still failed. I know I'm not delaying between sending bytes. Sending individual bytes is going to kind of suck. I don't really want to deal with that right now. Because we're only going to be here for 8 more minutes, so I'm not starting that. But I tried to, I set the maximum bytes here to 20 that it sends at a time. I mean, we can set it lower here, even 5. Wait, inter-byte timeout? That's a thing? Interbyte. Oh my gosh. Float. Okay. Okay, how does in the official docs it not say what unit it is? Is it seconds or milliseconds? Being a float, I'm guessing it's seconds, but come on. I mean, it could be hours. There's no actual indication here. Okay, 0.01. Okay. All right, I hate it, but okay. Man, that's slow. Okay, we can get rid of this one, I think, now. Although, we probably should... Well, that's not... That's spamming the logic buffer, not the other one. Okay, so that worked. That should have sent it. Okay. All right, we can bump this back up to something reasonable. I'm going to set it to 20. Just, yeah. Okay. Now we can speed this up a little bit. No, it instantly fell on its face. Are you kidding? What do you think? You think it was the 5 or the that? One of these solved it. I'm going to guess it was that, but that's really harsh. Okay, that's better. And that's good. Okay, so I'm going to leave this like that. We are going to split it into chunks still. I don't know why, but that just makes me happy. Because for one, I'll have to modify the code to remove that. Okay, let's do a new line. And we'll send this. And it dies instantly. How long in the message do you want to be able to send it? Not, I mean, arbitrary. I want to be able to send it all of D message if I really want to. I don't want it to break. That's the thing. It needs to not break. And right now it's breaking. mean, could it? Is it really this? Why is it failing? I guess I'll set the byte timeout to be longer. Oh my gosh. Half a second on both. 1 second between characters. It failed already. No. Now it failed. Okay, something's wrong. How is... C Developer Prog, hello, since first time chatting here. I don't... No, we don't have the handshaking, the proper one. So, yeah. So generic sweetener, it should be able to handle this because it can handle 1 byte being sent, period. So that should be acceptable. Hmm. And yes, I'm catching up here a little bit. Patrick, OMG. It does have a buffer. The buffer maximum is 46-ish characters, something like that, including control characters. So I'm trying to set my logic side buffer to be very low, and it needs to be half of that in case all of the characters are uppercase, because that exponentiates the sequences that it has to send because they're capital characters or capital, so it does like shift thing. And I don't know if that counts on its side or not, but it'll definitely slow it down. So, hmm. Ben, I see you trying to plant ideas there. It ain't happening. Oh man, that's kind of a good point there, Patrick. We could send 1 character and do that. Oh, I hate that. It would be perfect. Dang it. Yeah, we're not implementing that now. Transfer hours by USB UART chips. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly which one this is, but it's fairly reliable. LS USB. So this one is, it's in there. That prolific. So it's this thing. So yeah, that's the one that I've got here. So you send 1 shift down or the multiple capital letters in a row. I mean, actually, I could, but that sounds like work. Additionally, I'm splitting this up into different modes. So I have a mode here for sending strings of text. And the idea is that I can just like cat a file into this thing and then just have it send it. It's not supposed to be like decoded or anything. So I don't want to have to do that. But FTDI ones suck. Yes, they do. FTDI is also the one that's like bricking the counterfeit ones, right? So, yeah. All right. We'll have to come back to this. I don't know if we're going to get to this tomorrow, or I might spend more time on it. I don't know. Yeah, that was FTDI. Yeah, I thought so. So, all right. Okay, so we're going to call that for now. Yeah, I'm going to actually, I need to shut off that computer. Let me bring over the chat so I can see that. Or this thing. All right, here. Bring, oh, no, hold on. On the wrong window over here. Okay. Nope, that one. Okay. Yeah, so shutting this down. Yeah, it was so close. It's really weird. It's gonna take more investigation. I don't know if it's worth digging around in there more for that kind of stuff too or not, but I'm gonna go with localhost there. Hello, since your first time chatting. No, I'm not using Notepad as an IDE. Technically, I was using Kate over here, which isn't bad. No, Notepad was the DUT device under test because I was sending it to this, which is a computer running an original Pentium, being controlled over serial through PS2. Notepad was just how I could test keyboard strings very quickly there. So yeah. Okay. Looks like 2Gs get lost each time before it stalls. So what is probably happening is the desync between the stuff. So yeah. We will have to change it to a send, receive, verify thing, I guess. That sucks. It's going to be really annoying. But, oh well. So, I think that's... Yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, this is done, so I can shut it off now. Okay. Well, that's it for today. We'll have to... I don't know that we're gonna get back to this tomorrow. We might not. I kind of like it as just like a break of some other kind of project. So maybe this doesn't get me elbows deep into something else yet again. So kind of like the idea of that. And we can make this one a little simpler too, maybe, because it is just like it's not that complicated, and then it opens up other options in the future. So yeah, I probably want to get this finished. So yeah, see, the send receive won't work for control characters though. It should. So the send receive actually, I believe, just sends back the serial data. So if we send a tilde, which is a special control character for this thing, I think it sends it back. Basically, we just need to make sure we don't overwhelm this thing because we have it set to an extremely slow serial speed because the PS2 interface is very slow. So that's why we need to make sure that we don't overwhelm it. So, yeah. Let's see. Tomorrow show it takes an unplanned holiday. Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I don't really want to do that right now though, because what you guys don't know is that the weekend of February 9th through the 11th, there will be no streams that weekend. And yeah, I don't want to have too many days off here. I really, really didn't want to stream yesterday, but I had to come into the office to finish the video that is now live. There we go. Yeah. Looking at PySerial flow control. I don't know. I don't know that it's not supporting it or what. The documentation on that key AT is not amazing. So yeah. That's your resub weekend. Sorry about that. Oh well. So yeah, all right. I don't know. All right. So yeah, we're gonna call it there. Okay. I'm gonna run the outro, which I believe has printer already hidden. Okay, and I need to unmute music. I can't hear that right now, and I have no idea why. Oh wait, don't tell me it's as simple as this. It's as simple as that. Oh my gosh, it was just muted. How did it get muted? I thought it was something wrong with the OBS stuff after all the problems with that. Yeah, it was just muted. Okay, well that's good to know. Now I can hear the music, so I can actually understand when things are happening. That's good to know, because I use the music to time things for like the intro and stuff like that. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. I'm curious, how blinking is this light? It's very blinking. Okay. I did disable recording in the mics, which is why they're lasting longer, but they're not lasting that much longer, it seems. So, yeah. So, all right. Oh, it is. What do you know? There. All right. That's it for today. We'll pick this back up at some point for sure, because I do want to work on it, and it's one of those things where I have to work on it here because I need hardware to test it. So yeah, but we'll see when. No guarantees. But yeah. So if you enjoyed this stream, you may want to follow to be notified when I go live again next. If you want to help support the channel, get a shirt like this one, or find me on Patreon. But for now, that's it, and I will see you next time. Thank you.